kanta na pili mo, kumbaga sa Diamond, medyo raw pa. Kumbaga may polishing pa na mangyayari.
The shifting from natural to falsetto needs a little bit of practice. Siguro dahil bata ka pa, I need something more. Siguro yung feel.
They were very constructive and they were very straightforward. I think I'd like to remember those criticisms that they gave me so I can improve further beyond my limit.
Kulang sa tiga, kulang sa feel, kulang sa diin. Kaya siguro may tendency ma-flat.
Medyo may mga notes na hindi lang smooth and steady. We need to relax para hindi siya shaky pakinggan.
Tama po sila, kailangan talang mag-explore. Medyo kinabahan po ako ng konti. Pero na-deliver ko naman po ng maayos yun.
Next, 9 stars, ikaw ang hahamon sa kampiyon ngayon.